Today, it's about the plant-based meal plan. We all know that eating more fruits and vegetables and healthy plant-based foods is good for us, right? We've been hearing this our entire life. Eat your greens, eat your vegetables, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And you may have even heard that consuming a plant-based diet is actually better for our environment because it greatly drastically reduces the amount of water that's needed to grow grains and land that's required to grow grains simply to feed livestock that goes to slaughter. So in a meat-based society, we need lots of water and lots of land for cultivating grains that feed the livestock that get slaughtered. So there's all kinds of studies about how plant-based diet helps to support the environment, but I digress because in fact there are so many tremendous health benefits, and there are doctors and physicians who have dedicated their entire careers to tracking the impact of eating a plant-based diet on our health and wellness, on our long-term health. The purpose of eating healthier as we age is to prevent chronic illness in our bodies so that we can live more higher quality years and really go after our dreams and feel good doing it. So that's the point. So with all of that said, that begs the question, can we just eat any old plants and can we eat them however we want? Or do we need to be preparing them in a certain way? And is there a right way to do it? And the answer is actually no, you can't just eat any old plants. And no, you can't just eat them however you want to, because if you just ate only potatoes for the rest of your life and you fried them, right? If you lived on French fries, you're likely to get sick. So the idea is that we need to consume a variety, a full spectrum of plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds. We need to intake a lot of water. And maybe you've heard people say to eat the rainbow. We can start to approach this process by thinking about having a full spectrum of colorful foods on our plate. So dark leafy greens and bright red beets and carotenoids and carrots and all the different colors of the rainbow can be found in that variety and spectrum. So I wanted to help you to have sort of a cheat sheet to be able to craft your own balanced, healthy, vibrant, plant-based meals. So I created a balanced bowls formula, and I'm going to give this to you today. So this is the balanced bowl formula. This is based on consuming a plant-based diet only, so plant-based meal, and with an average daily intake of roughly 2,000 calories. So you can go ahead and print this PDF wherever you're watching this video. And I'm so thrilled to get this in your hands. So you can print this out and you can post it to your refrigerator so that you always know the way to construct and build your own balanced, healthy bowl. You're going to start with a base of dark leafy greens. You're going to add veggies, incorporate fruits, make sure to get proteins in there. You're going to include healthy fat, a little bit of complex carbohydrates, and some extra nourishing and helpful digestive aids. And down here on the bottom, I've suggested a balance of how you want to build your bowl using some percentages. So get in there, print your PDF, balance your bowls, and let's consider all of these wonderful tools that we have now to eat healthy and live our longest, healthiest lives.